Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a laser measuring tool. So right here they do show you guys an image of what the product looks like, but first I should open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first the inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And inside the instruction manual they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to connect on the Bluetooth app, which will be called Me Home. But right underneath that, you see we do have the actual product, and there is some more stuff here as well. So take it all out. So inside they do provide a USB to USB-C cable that you can use to recharge the product. But right here, you can see we do have the actual product. So top part right here is where the laser is gonna come out when you guys do use it. On the side right here, we do have the USB-C output for the plug-in cable to charge it. On the side right here, we do have a button for you to turn it on or turn it off, which is basically the power button. And then right here, we do have a little hole for you guys to put your finger right here to actually carry around really easily. But when you guys put your finger inside, you don't want to put it all the way in because it will get stuck. And the front part right here, I'm assuming is the display screen when you guys do turn it on. And obviously for the product, it does have laser. You don't want to look directly into the laser. It will blind you. So you definitely want to be careful with that. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before you turn it on, let me plug the cable to show you guys how to charge it. So before you guys plug in the cable to recharge it, you guys need to remove the front part right here. So let's do peel it. Once you guys do peel it out, now you guys can see the screen. So let's do plug in the cable to charge it. Eventually it starts charging. So that is basically how you guys charge the product. If you guys try to turn it on, it won't turn on when you guys are charging it. So you probably need to unplug the cable first before you start using it. So if you guys do unplug it, if you guys try again, and see how it does turn on. So once you guys do turn it on, this is what the screen looks like. So the reason why there's a number on here is because I pressed the button one time and that turned on the laser. So if I do press on this button, you can see how it does say 0. And once I press on again, it basically measured for you. So basically right now I just measured distance from right here all the way to my ceiling. So if I do bring it down a little bit, let's see whether or not the number change. You can see the number change on here. And just to show you guys how powerful the laser is, let me shoot it in the back part right here. So if I do turn on, then you see right there we do have the laser, that little red dot in the back. So basically when you guys press the button, the laser will come out. And that is basically how I start measuring the product when you guys do use it. But see on the part right here, they do show you guys whether or not it's actually connected to Bluetooth, the battery life, and everything else. So now I'm actually connected on the app to show you guys how that works. So right here is the app that you guys want to download, which is Me Home. So you guys want to follow everything on here to set it up. Alright, so once you guys finish downloading the app, this is what the app should look like. So what I'm going to do is add the device. Once you guys click on add device, if you see I found the device, so we do click on it. You guys want to connect it. Once you guys add it successfully, then you guys are all set. So once you guys finish setting up, this is basically what the app should look like. So I'm assuming every time when you guys finish measuring something on here, it'll pop up onto the app and you guys name what it is. So if you guys measure something right here, it pops right there. If I do one more time, it pops right there. So definitely give you guys a really fast result when you guys do use it. And that way you can keep all the history on here in terms of what you guys do measure. And when you guys do measure things on here, everything will show in feet. Unless if you guys change the meter, you can go to setting right here. And that will basically allow you guys to change from feet to meters. So really cool how she gave you guys the option on the app to control everything on here and manage everything on here as well. So that way when you guys are measuring stuff for a project or something, you don't need a ruler. All you guys need is a laser measuring tool to actually measure what you guys need. Especially if you guys want to measure like a floor plan or something, then that is basically where one of these actually comes in handy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality laser measuring tool. So that way you guys don't have to use like a manual ruler to actually measure a room or something. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save it when something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.